We are here at Foxwoods Resort Casino in Mashantucket, Connecticut, playing, what game is this? I can never remember the name of this game. I think it's Baozu Zhao Fu. It's one of the Firecracker games here. I'll be showing you up top. We got two of them almost ready to pop, and I know it's just meant to be perceived, but we are hoping that it actually means that they are ready to be popped. Let me pull down here so you guys can see the denomination and the full screen. And we're gonna start with some 5-cent denomination. We're gonna do some $4.80 bets. We're gonna turn this volume all the way up. We wanna make sure we can see what our credit amounts are. We're at $400 there in the machine. $4.80 bets. Let's get something miraculous. Start with the minor right off the bat. That minor would have been $200. Let me pull you guys up just a little bit. There you go. The goal with these Firecracker games is really to get, 2 or 3 of them to pop at the same time. So that is the goal right now. Come on. The purple and red are both just ripe for the taking. But I find that the ones that have less of the Firecracker already, like popped or gone, whatever you're gonna call it, lit, that's the word. It was a rough night last night, guys. The less of the Firecracker that is lit, the more likely that one is to pop, is like my philosophy. That's what I believe on these games. But it doesn't stop me from playing a game that has a very full Firecracker. Alright, green went up a little bit more. It's been a very, very long time since I've gotten all 3 to pop at the same time. And so that's what the goal is. Let's get, 2 at minimum, but 3 would be great. Purple is ultra spins, red is a double up feature, and green is extra spins. So instead of 3, you get 4 with the extra spins. Double up means you get 2 playing screens, and ultra spins means that on every spin in the bonus round, you might get a phoenix or a dragon or something that comes out and gives you extra credits on the numbers that you've already landed. So that can be pretty cool. We do a couple of fast taps here. I wish it was similar to big pot flaming pots, where if you landed 4 of them, like you automatically got the bonus. That's happened a few times for me. We got purple. Oh, we didn't get purple. I tried hitting the button and it wouldn't go. Sometimes that means that you're getting the bonus. It did not mean that for me just now. Alright, so we're going to change the denom. We're going to go ahead and go up to 10-cent denomination. We're going to maintain with that $4.80 bet. We're about $135 into this session so far. Come on, do it. Come on, double up. Come on, ultra spins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come on, Firecrackers. Let's light up the sky, Firecrackers. Oh my god, all 3 of them are just 1 away from the full pop. This is a dangerous place to be, because you could be here chasing this all day and have them never pop. Losing session. We don't love that. Love a double up. Love a double up with something else. We can do it. But you gotta have faith. There's something. Oh, that's only $35? Thought for sure that would have been more. $35 there too. We'll take it. These $35 wins are keeping us afloat. We're certainly getting teased. Certainly getting the tease. Alright, I think I'm gonna go back to the 5 cents and maintain that 480 bet. Uh-oh, we're not getting teased at all here on the 5 cents. Well, there's something. Come on, come on, come on. We can do it. We can do it. But you gotta have faith. Couple fast taps. Sometimes the fast taps are just helping you reset. Come on, come on. Let's go. The ultra spins and double up together are really just a miraculous feature. If you can get them together. We're just a few spins left, y'all. $13 there. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, on the last spin, that would have been crazy. Oh, we got all 3 colors. We did not get them to pop. How crazy is that? That is absolutely infuriating. But unfortunately, that is the bankroll for this session, guys. We cannot continue. This was painful. Like and subscribe. Send me some love. Help me lick my wounds. And I'll be back another day. Love y'all. Bye.